telling you how to add affiliates to your product on Selar.co. The first thing you want to do is to click on this top right hand corner here to the menu section. Then you scroll down to where you have the affiliates. You click on it. All right, it takes you to this dashboard. Okay, then you can click on the add an affiliate at the right hand side. Then we wait for that to load immediately. Then it brings you to this section. Okay, probably you have a product on Selar and you want to give it out for affiliate partnership. You want people to sell your product for a particular commission, so that it can bring in more sales and more profit. This is what you need to do. All right, okay, you don't need to sell all by yourself. People can help you sell your product, your digital product, and also get a commission for doing that. People that do not have money to register on sophisticated platform like Spatnia and the rest, they can come to Selar.co to start their own affiliate journey. Okay, so but what you need from this person is the email. You need this person's email to actually add he or she as an affiliate marketer to your product. So the very first thing you need to do is to type in, is click on the type, click on single products, then click on the product you want, then you add the person's email. Okay, then you click on the percent you want to give the person, the commission you want to give the person, let's say 50. Okay, then you click on add affiliates. Then immediately it adds the person to your affiliate link. So let's just wait a little bit for that to load. All right, so while that loads, all right, these are the options you have on Selar. You have the products where you can add your products, you can feature products. Then you have the sales where you can see your sales, how much sales you've made, and your abandoned on transactions. Then you have the section for the customer where you can see the customer's detail. Then you have the section for the wallet, the payouts, where you can see how much you've made so far. Then you have the affiliate section, which is where we are at the moment. So let me quickly repeat it. Just give me a moment. The network was bad. All right. So, okay, yep. So you see, it has been added right here. All right. So this is the link the person is going to use to promote my product. All right. This is the link the person is going to use to promote my product. Then as you can see, the status of the affiliate stuff is active, and that is that for that. So once the link is clicked on by anybody, the person will be redirected to my product where the person can purchase the book. The book is for 1,000 naira. The person can get the affiliate marketer will get a commission of 500 naira, which is 50% for affiliating for me. So guys, you can try this and let me know in the comment section how it goes. All right, so but remember to like this video and subscribe. See you next time.